Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. This is the lecture for class 3, subject is SST and 4th slot. Unit number is 12 and the title of the unit is Road Safety. Reading book pages of this unit is 61 to 63 and workbook pages are 29, 30, 31, 32 and 33. Okay students, we all know that what is road safety. Road safety means to have a safe journey on road and have a safe drive on the road. We all travel on roads every day. There are rules and guidance to smooth the flow of traffic on the road. These rules are called traffic rules. So these are compulsory to have a road safety. Okay students, let's have a look. What are the traffic rules? Traffic rules are the laws which govern traffic and regulate vehicles on the road are called traffic rules. When we not obey the traffic rules, it causes of accidents. These rules are the set to keep the people safe from accident. As you can see in the images, we have to obey the traffic rules, and in the second picture you can see when we have to walk on a road, you have to walk through the zebra crossing, and if there is cars or any vehicles moving on a bus, you have to stop and wait for the signals to stop. Then you have to start moving on a road. That is compulsory for the safe journey on walking of the road. Okay students, let's talk about the rules for passengers. There are some rules for passengers. First one is a child should never ride in the front seat of a vehicle. When you have to drive on a road, you will not allow any child to sit on a front seat. Next one is keep car doors locked. When you are driving, make sure your doors of the vehicle must be locked. Third one is never try to get on the moving car or bus. If any car or bus is moving, never try to get on that bus and that car. The next one is do not tell the driver how to drive or where to go, because this may divert the attention of the driver and this may cause the accident on the road. Next one is keep hands inside the car windows. Do not let your child playing with the hands outside the window. Last one is no shouting, yelling or screaming while driving. Okay students, let's talk about rules for drivers. There are some rules for the drivers. Let's start with first one. Do not drive fast and carelessly. Do not drive fast and carelessly while you are driving on a road. The next one is do not overtake from the wrong side or a single lane road. If you are driving on a single lane road, you cannot overtake and you cannot go on a wrong side. Do not play the music aloud or use the mobile phone during a drive. When you are driving, you cannot use mobile phone and you cannot listen the music aloud, because these two things may cause accident because of the attention divert from driving to music and mobile. The next and last one is keep in mind that the red light on the top means stop. Red light means stop. The yellow light in the middle means ready to go. Red light means stop and the yellow light means get ready to go. And when the last one is green light blows up, it means go. Green light means go. These are the traffic signals you can see on a road while you are traveling by car or by any vehicle. Next, here we will discuss about the set of rules for walker. Here you can see the set of rules, and the first rule is look, look and look. It means while you are walking on a road, you have to look firstly right, then left and then right again. as when you have to move on a road by zebra crossing, you have to look firstly on a left on your left, then you have to look on right and then left again, and then you will start walking on a road. But keep remember, you have to walk on zebra crossing while signal is stop. This is the good drill to remember. The next one is stop, look, listen before crossing the road. Firstly, you have to stop. Then you have to look. Firstly left, then right, then left again. And then you have to listen while if there is any vehicle coming across the road. And you have to, and after that you have to walk on a zebra crossing to cross a road. The next one is always cross the road from zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is a type of pedestrian crossing or a safe place. As you can see in the first picture, there are white and black strips and that denoted to the as zebra. So these are drawn for the walker when anybody have to walk on the road, and they must have used zebra crossing. The second last is never play near on the road, because busy roads have vehicles that are moving on a road and it causes any accident or injury. So never play near or on the road. Do not play on a road or do not play near the road also. The last one is do not chase a flying kite or ball on the busy road. If you see any flying kite or any ball on a busy road, do not try to chase them, because that is dangerous to move on a busy road. Okay students, let's talk about traffic signals. Did you ever see any traffic signals while traveling from one place to another? As you can see in the image, there are three lights and this is also called traffic signal. As we have read in previous pages that red light means stop, yellow light means to get ready to go, and the green light means to go. Now let's read out. There are some traffic signs to follow for an easy and safe journey. For the easy and safe journey, we have to follow the set of the rules which are made by the government for the safety of the citizens while they are walking, traveling or driving on the road. We should know and follow these signs and signals as these are for our safety. These are made for our safety. Traffic signs tells you what you must do and what you must not to do. Traffic signs means what you have to do and what you have not to do. So let's talk about the traffic signals in the image. The first image, as you can see, there is an arrow with cross mark. It means no entry. If there is a sign with arrow and cross sign with red color, it means no entry on that place. While in the next image you can see two persons and that sign means school crossing. You have not to drive on that side because that is for the school crossing only. In the third picture, as you can see, a man is walking. So it means pedestrian crossing. A man who is walking on foot, this path is used for that person. The fourth image shown as the hand, and it means stop. That hand sign shows that stop here, do not move from here. In the next row, as you can see, that is a train or any vehicle, and the sign shows us level crossing without barrier. Level crossing without barrier. In the next picture you can see level crossing with barriers. As you can see the barriers in the image, so it means level crossing barriers. The next one is cycle route ahead. It means this route is only for cyclists. And the last one of this image is queues likely, as you have to travel or you have to drive in a queue. Students, as we have completed our chapter from our reading book, now this is the time to solve the workbook. And this is workbook page number 29, road safety. The first one question is reading and silent reading by students. Objective. The first question is, what is the meaning of zebra crossing? What is the meaning of zebra crossing? As we have read in the book that zebra crossing is white and black strips and that are used for pedestrian. So let's have a look on the answers. The answer is zebra crossing is type of pedestrian crossing or a safe place for walker to cross the road. The question number 2 is, why are the city crossings have traffic signals? And your answer must be, in the city crossing, traffic signals are used for smooth flow of traffic on the road. In the city crossing, traffic signals are used for smooth flow of traffic on the road. Number 3 question is, what will happen if you don't follow the traffic rules? As we know, the answer is accidents will be caused when we do not obey the traffic rules. If we are not going to obey the traffic rules, it may cause the accident on the road. Now, our next question is question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, fill in the blanks is, while crossing the road, look to the dash and then to the dash again. The first fill in the blanks will be fill with left, L-E-F-T, left. While crossing the road, look to the left and then go to the right again. Number 2 is never play on the road. Never play on the road because busy road may cause an accident if you are playing on a road. That is not for safety. Number 3 is never get on to a moving car or bus. Never get on to a moving car. Number 4 is keep hands inside the car window. Keeps hand inside the car window. Number 5 is do not drive fast and carelessly because it may cause an accident. Do not drive fast and carelessly. Now let's move toward the next page, which is page number 30. Question number 5 is name the traffic signs. As you can see the image, and you have to write the name of that traffic sign. The first one is no entry. The first sign would be no entry. Next one is school crossing. Second sign telling us school crossing. The third one is about pedestrian. The fourth one with the hand sign, that means stop. In the next line, you have to write in the first block, level crossing without barrier. In the next image, as you can see, the barrier is there. So, level crossing with barrier. The third is the symbol with sign, and the sign tells us cycle route ahead. It means only cycles or bicycles can move through these sides. And the last one is cues likely. Moving toward the further question, this is the question number 1. What are traffic rules? And answer is, rules are the laws which govern traffic and regulate vehicles on the road are called traffic rules. Rules are the laws which govern traffic and regulate the vehicles on the road are called traffic rules. Number 2 question is, write any 2 important rules for driver. The first rule is, do not overtake from the wrong side. Do not overtake from the wrong side. We are talking about the rules for driver, and the first rule was, do not overtake from the wrong side or a single lane road. The number 2 rule is, driver should wear the seat belt. Number 3 question is, write any 2 important rules for walkers. Your answer is stop, look, listen before crossing the road. Stop, look, listen before crossing the road. And the number 2 is always cross the road from zebra crossing. While you are crossing the road, always cross the road from zebra crossing. Question number 4 is write any two rules for passengers. Answer is keep hand inside the car window and keep car doors locked. Keep car doors locked. Now moving toward the question number 5. Why do you think it is not a good idea to talk to the driver while he is driving? And your answer is a driver should never be involved in talking during driving because it can cause of accident. Next part is understand the questions and answers accordingly. First question is how should we cross the road if there is no traffic light and zebra crossing? And your answer must be we should cross the road by first watching on left side, then right and then left side again. Your second question is what are the color of zebra crossing and which animal has same pattern of these colors? And your answer must be the color of zebra crossing is white and black. The color of zebra crossing is white and black and its patterns are same as zebra. Okay, on the next page as you can see project and it is the written project. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. As you can see the words are given below. So you have to fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Let's start with first one. First, find a dash place to cross. While crossing the road, you have to find a safe place to cross. Next line is stop just before you get to the traffic. Third one is look all around for raised path and listening. Look all around for raised path and listening. Next line is if traffic is coming, let it pass. Let it pass when traffic is coming. The next line is when it is safe, walk straight across the road. Straight and road. Do not run. Last line is keep looking and listening while you cross. Keep looking and listening while you cross. Okay, 3 class, that was your today's lecture. I hope you understand. Now say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz.